Good morning, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my college morning routine. I've wanted to do this video for a while now and I'm happy that I'm finally doing it. So yeah, I just woke up and I just had my time where I just write in my journal and read my Bible, and now I'm going to head over to do my hair. So actually, funny enough, this is actually my first time having my hair out this semester, because I had braids in and then I had cornrows in and I just haven't just carried my natural hair out around this whole semester. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my hair but before I go to the bathroom and start getting ready. So that's basically what I am going to do next. So yeah, it's a Monday morning. It's actually like a class day. I have 3 classes today, so yeah, let's get to it and show you guys my morning routine. Yeah, alright, so I just finished showering and getting ready and doing my skincare and everything. So I don't usually wear makeup to class every day, but I have some extra time today, so I decided to do a little bit of makeup. It's mainly just gonna be brushing out my bushy eyebrows and yeah, a little bit of concealer and finish it up for my face. I'm just gonna do a quick simple look right now. Meant to be very, very simple. Something I like to do every morning, usually before I go to class, is dance. I just feel like it puts me in a good mood in the morning, so it's something I just really like to do. I just put on some Afro beats and then I just start dancing. Alright guys, that is my morning routine. That's how I wake up and get ready for classes. And so now I'm going to head out to my first class. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my morning routine, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down low, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Peace and strength.